Have you ever played a visual novel where the speaker is more emphasized than the others? That's what we're doing in this video. Currently, Anna is speaking and is highlighted compared to the other sprites. But if you look closely, it's the other sprites that were changed. With the help of Watson, this became easy to code. You can check out his HIO, which I'll link in the description. First is to download the auto highlight file and paste it into your game folder. The second step is to create a character. I'll name my character Zale, so that it won't be confusing later. Let's give it the name Zale and the image tag iZale. The third step is to add a callback. Let's set the callback to name callback. This can be found in the auto highlight file we pasted earlier. Just know that it handles what happens when the dialogue begins. In name callback's case, it is to animate CB name. Then let's set the CB name to Zale. Take note of CB name because this is what we will animate. Now let's create an image using our tag. So that's image iZale and smile. Let's set the value to Zale_smile, which is the file name. Then set the sprite highlight to Zale, which is our CB name. Now that we've created a character, let's copy and paste it to create another character. Let's name this one Anna. Let's show Zale and Anna. Let Zale speak first, followed by Anna. Now I know this can be confusing. That is why I created this image to help you identify which should be the same. The text with the same underlined colors should be the same values. You can always come back to this video if you need this guide. With that, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. This will help my channel grow a lot and help me make more videos. Moving on, let's run this. While Zale is speaking, her sprite is showing the default colors while Anna's sprite changed. Let's click again and now it's Anna who is speaking, and Zale's sprite changed. This effect changes the brightness, saturation, and the zoom amount. Note that these effects are applicable only to non-speaking sprites. This can be found in the auto highlight file. Just search bright_change. Setting the bright change to 1 will set the non-speaking sprites to a completely black image, while setting it to 0 will set it to the default brightness. Here's what it looks like at 0.5. Setting the sat change to 1 will show a desaturated or grayscale version of the non-speaking sprites, while setting it to 0 will show the default saturation. Here's what it looks like at 0.5. Setting the zoom change to 1 will set the non-speaking sprites to the smallest possible size, while setting the zoom change to 0 will set the zoom to the default size. Here's what it looks like at 0.5. We can also set the white change. Setting it to 100 will set them lower by 100. Here's what it looks like. What if we want to add a narrator and it shouldn't emphasize anyone? We should create a character with the name callback as callback and none as CB name. Let's try this. Dale is speaking. Anna is speaking. See you in the next tutorial.